So for all you GMC 2500 guys, I got another one for you today. We got a 2024 GMC 2500 AT4. This truck is getting the ever popular Suspension Max torsion key leveling kit, and it's getting some 35-inch Nitto Recon grappler tires. This is what I call a conservative fit, meaning that the tires are going to fit with a lot of extra room so you can turn. You can take this thing off-road, you can go wherever you want, and the tires are still not going to hit. So looks like this customer drove the factory tires until they were about to pop. Check it out. Here's our truck. It's the Summit White GMC 2500 AT4, meaning that it has the black grille in the front as the trim pieces, and then it has your red tow hooks right here, and then it also comes with, they say it's a little taller in the front. I don't know. I don't see any difference on this versus the regular Sierra. Comes with this step on the side. Looks a little bit better than the regular steps that you get on like the SLT, or maybe even the Denali is probably power. So yeah, the SLT would be the trim package. Drove the tires until the wires are about to come out. I understand getting the value out of them. He's not selling those to anybody though. We're gonna do some 35-inch Nittos. The truck will ride amazing. It'll look amazing. Stay tuned. So our AT4 is ready to go. 2024. We did a 2.5-inch Suspension Max leveling kit, as you've seen in the previous clips. I wanted to spotlight the tire on this one a little bit. So I did a video about maybe a week or two ago showing the 3 different size tires that I put on these trucks, and this tire size was not in that mix of the tires. I had showed you the 37 12-50-20, the 35 12-50-20, and the 295 65-20, which are all similar in size, but this one right here, 35 12-50, 35 11-50, this tire is not as wide as the 35 12-50, which keeps the tire from rubbing on this control arm when you turn all the way, and that sway bar right there. It's very, very similar to the 295 65-20. The only difference really is the 295 60 is a hair taller and it holds more weight, but both tires work just fine. This truck clears all the way with no issues, no rubbing, nothing like that. So if this is the setup that you guys like, this is a good daily setup. You can take this truck, like I said, off-road. You can take it anywhere, put it in a bind, flex it a little bit, and you'll never touch the fender with the tire. We still have a lot of clearance back here. No cutting required there. We didn't have to do any cutting there. So if you want your truck to remain the way it is, this is the setup for you. This tire we did on this one is a Nitto Recon grappler. This is the new all-terrain tire from Nitto. It carries a 55,000 mile warranty. This is the smoothest, quietest, longest lasting all-terrain tire that we sell here at the shop. If you have any questions about it, or you'd like to get a price on it or something like that, shoot me a call. My number is 678-994-9180. Ask for Jake. I'm here every day. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the channel. It is a warm, wet Tuesday morning here in McDonough, and we have some Denalis everywhere to work on today. This one's already done and behind me, but there is a 2025 Denali Ultimate 2500 GMC here that we're about to do some work on. This is a newer style build. I mean, I've done a couple of them like this, but we're gonna do some Cognito parts and some Suspension Max parts. This is just getting a leveling kit in the front, and it's going to get some 22-inch fuel wheels and some Nitto tires. I think it's the Ridge Grappler tire we're doing on this one. You know, every truck that I do like this seems to be about the same lately, but this one's getting some wheels, so I'm pretty excited about it. Check out the truck. Here it is. Of course, that Denali Ultimate, we, you know, they stopped doing the Vader Chrome right here. They started doing the gloss black. They did leave the Vader Chrome right here. I talked about it in the last video that I did. I talked about the, you know, 2024 Denali Ultimate's having a peeling issue right here on this Vader Chrome. So it looks like GM's made a decision to just change it to black. I think that's an awesome decision because it does give it that black tint to match the wheels. Truck's brand new. He just drove overnight from Florida last night, I think around the Tampa area. Has that beautiful brown interior with the, you know, the little, I don't even know what you would call that in the leather, but it looks nice. We have our ultimate Denali badges there and there. Of course, we have our big screen. Truck's beautiful. About to take this around, try to get him on the road before 12. He's got a football game or something he's got to make, so we're gonna see. All right, so we got a little story time here. You just watched the clips of the GMC 2500 with the tires and wheels and the leveling kit and the control arms. You just watched that get finished, sorta. And you know that I normally do a walk around kind of explanation of the truck after we get done and stuff like that. I told you earlier in the video that this customer was in a hurry to get out of town. He was supposed to be out of here by 12 o'clock to get back to Florida by 5 or 6 o'clock to see his son's football game, I believe is what it was. And we were very, very busy yesterday when this truck took place, when this build took place, and we were a little bit late. We didn't get him out of here till probably 2 o'clock, and they were in such a big hurry that they just had to bounce. I didn't have time to film the truck, so that's why the clips are short and there's no explanation. But going over it again, what we did on this truck was the 3-inch Cognito lift kit, which comes with upper control arms and torsion keys. It comes with 4 Fox shocks as well. The torsion keys, I swapped the Cognito ones out for the Suspension Max, and I used those in the kit because I like the way Suspension Max rides. It's just a better torsion key to me. Nothing against Cognito, but it's just a better torsion key. So that's what we did on there, a little explanation. The tire size we did was a 285 55-22, which is a 34 by 1150, and the wheel was a 22 by 10 fuel twitch is what it's called, negative 19 offset. Had a little bit of trimming in the front end of the truck to make it clear, but other than that, everything's good. So once again, appreciate you watching it. So sometimes I miss videos or I miss trucks and don't put a video together of the truck. This one's pretty special. It's a friend of mine named Jesse. He's an electrician. Well, not electrician, he's a lineman. with the power company and the union and everything. He's got a sticker back here. Jesse got I think this is a 2021 or a 2022 Chevy 1500 Trail Boss. We probably did this build about a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago, and I never had time to film it, so I'm gonna go ahead and go over the details on it. We're about to do some more work to it now, some more powder coat work, but there's the 9-inch McGoy's lift kit that he got on the truck. He also did the upper control arms that you can buy from McGoy's to match the kit. He did the upper stainless steel overlays here in white, and we're about to do some more parts on the truck in white. He has the traction bars as well and the front kicker braces with this truck. The wheels are a 26x14 Hostile Forge. It's called the Savage. This is a gloss black with the silver accents. And then he did the 37, 1450, 26 Fury MT. Truck looks amazing. Just wanted to give Jesse a little shout out. Tell him I appreciate the business and all. Let me know what you think about this truck in the comments. All right, we got a 2024 Ford F-250 here. This is the XLT model. Used to be in the past, the XLTs were the cheaper version of the truck, but nowadays there's nothing that it's missing. It has power, everything. Inside the truck, is it clean? This is how a stock one comes right here. Of course, you have everything power. It has the big screen in it, just like the Platinum does, so I really don't see what the upgrade price is for on these trucks, but if you want a good Ford truck, they have the F-250s at the dealership now. What does this truck cost?
66.
About 66,000 bucks. Not a bad deal for a 3/4 ton truck. We did the 2.5-inch ready lift kit in the front. It's just a leveling kit, really. If you level these trucks, you have to put the track bar bracket in that you see right there. It's what keeps the wheels from sticking out farther on one side than the other. This is the 35 12 50 20 Toyo Open Country RT Trail. It's the new all-terrain they just came out with a 45,000 mile warranty. We paired it up real nice with the 20x10 Fuel Rebel in the matte black finish. We did some black lug nuts to match as well. The truck clears all the way on both ways. No trimming involved. It does look like he's put a lower valence on the truck, maybe off the trimmer truck, I'm not sure, but you know, you see the other trucks that we do, the F-250 Super Duties, and they have this big long plastic piece on the bottom. It's kind of ugly. I like this one a lot better. Let me know what you think in the comments. And once again, shout out to
Georgia Roof Rescue.
Georgia Roof Rescue. There we go. Thanks, guys.